How to reset password in Indodax app. First of all, open the app on your device. Once the app is launched, you will see the login and register buttons at the top. Tap on the login button and you will see the fields for your email address and password. Then tap on the forget password option below the password field. This will take you to the password recovery page. Now enter the registered email address linked to your Indodax account and tap on the reset password button. Indodax will send the password reset email to your inbox. Next, open your email app and look for the password reset email from Indodax. Tap on the reset link provided in the email. This link will redirect you to a secure page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, confirm it by typing it again, and make sure it's strong and unique for better security. Once done, tap on Submit or Reset Password to complete the process. After resetting, go back to the Indodax app and log in with your email address and the new password you just created. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will need to enter your verification code before gaining access. Now you have successfully reset your Indodax password. Always remember to keep your login details secure and never share your password with anyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.